Hey, puppy. That was quick, sir. I think it was outside the house. Like the snow page? Wow, I can't believe it's Columbia, South Carolina. All the snow. Looks unreal. Poor Paige. So small. Hey, my snowman survived. Don't eat the snowman. You're gonna attack it, aren't you? Oh no, your core gonna hit it. No! Crap.
My cow, oh my goodness.
I see the pictures.
Okay.
Peg got snow on her face. Uh-oh. There's a lot of snow.
So pretty.
Look at her bouncing. Uh-oh, camera battery's dying.
Gosh, I should bring my own. I have to start bringing my things.
That was weird. It said it was dying, then the camera energy came back up.
Yeah, mine did.
Okay, I want to record it.